Hey there, welcome to Violet's DIY Style. I'm Violet. If this is your first time to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing. Also, don't forget to click on that bell button so you can be notified every time I upload a new tutorial. So today I'm going to share with you how I made these DIY bathroom decor pieces that you don't necessarily have to use in a bathroom, but I chose to use them for that. So what I'm going to use are these 3 glass containers with plastic lids, and then I'm going to use these rub-on stickers that I got from Dollar Tree as well. This package of rub-on stickers that I'm using have the natural animals and the natural colors. It has unicorns, swans, and different flowers. So I'm just picking out some flowers that I like and some birds from this sheet of stickers, and I'm just randomly cutting them out, and I'm going to add them onto my jars in different ways, just to make them look like a set. So once you're done picking out whatever flowers or whatever design you choose to use on each one of these jars, again, all you're going to do is just flip them over and just rub them really good all throughout the entire sticker, and then peel them off, and they're going to be stuck onto your jars. Now I'm choosing to use these containers in my bathroom with cotton balls and Q-tips and stuff like that, but you can easily use these like in your coffee station with cream and sugar, maybe some tea packages. You can even use this in a little girl's room or in a bedroom with some rubber bands and pins and brushes. So there's different areas that you can always use these storage containers for, but like I said, I'm using mine in my bathroom. So just go ahead and pick the design and the flowers that you want to use and just rub them onto each one of the jars. Again, just make sure you rub them really good in all the corners before you peel off the backing. And there you have it. So I'm just going to build on these flowers and the design. First I'm going to do the 2 sides and then one of the centers, and you'll see that I make the center one a little bit different, but still keeping with the same flowers and bird design. I'm really having a lot of fun at using these rub-on stickers with a few of my projects, and I'll make sure to leave a link somewhere around here so you can go ahead and check out some of more projects that I've done with different rub-on stickers from Dollar Tree. They have a wide variety of them, and like I said, I'm really liking doing a lot of decor pieces with these because they just adds that little extra touch to, like for example, what I'm doing today, this little glass jar. It just makes them a little bit more of your style depending on the stickers you're using, and I just think it gives it a really pretty look instead of just having that glass jar with no design on it at all. If you've been using these rub-on stickers, let me know in the comments below what you've done with them as well. As you can see, they're really easy to work with. Again, just rub them really good and make sure you get all the corners before you peel off the backing, and your stickers will stay permanently on to whatever you place them on. Now this is the center one, and as you can see, I just added something different just to make it look a little slight difference, because I am going to use this jar for the center of my set. This project was so easy to do. It took me literally about 10 minutes to make this entire project. It was so easy, and I think it looks really pretty. So there you have it. So these are the 3 glass containers, and like I said, I'm going to use these in my bathroom with a natural look. but I wanted to make a stand for them. So what I decided to do was get 2 of these mini pallets that you can get at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to glue them together using some building blocks on the back of these pallets. And I'm using the building blocks just simply because I wanted to elevate this tray a little bit higher than the way it looked before. So just add some building blocks right in the center, and then I'm going to add some on the edge of each one of these, the sides of my pallet or my tray. And there you have it. You just flip it over. And as you can see, I didn't put anything on the sides, but I did decide to go ahead and add some little blocks just to give them kind of like a handle on my tray, but you don't have to add anything to the sides. Another thing I did that you don't necessarily have to do, you could leave it just a natural wood color. I painted my tray, and I just used a white color that I had and just painted it all white. So all I did was just give it one good coat and just allowed it to dry. Make sure you do paint the front and back. That way in between each one of these pallets, the paint will seep through and you can cover it. Make sure it's nice and covered everywhere. And again, just do the front and sides and also the back, and then just let it dry. And once it's all completely dry, you can add your container set right on top, and this is the way it looks. To go with this set for my bathroom, I decided to go ahead and make a dish soap and your toothbrush holder, and just up it a little bit by doing adding some pearls onto these containers or trays. So what I did was I decided to get 2 soap dish trays and flip one over, add some permanent glue and hot glue, and then add another tray right on top just to give it more of that elevated look. Then in between, I decided to go ahead and add some pearls. And these are the larger pearls from Dollar Tree. And as you can see, I'm just using the Fix-All glue to add my pearls because I wanted to make sure they stayed in place. But with this glue, you do have to wait at least a good 30 minutes before you do the other sides, because they will move around until that glue is dry. So you'll see, for video purposes, I did just go ahead and finish this off with my hot glue gun, but they are staying in place. But you really can't, I wouldn't recommend you washing or clean it up really harshly because the pearls will fall off since you're just adding hot glue. But you know, for video purposes, I'm using the hot glue, but I would recommend you just use a little bit of permanent glue onto each one of these pearls to make sure that it does stay in place. So this is the way my soap dish is gonna look. I just added 2 of the soap dishes together and added pearls right in the center. Then to make this look like a set, I went ahead and got these sticker pearls and just figured out where I wanted to start them and how many rows I wanted of these pearls around the bottom of my toothbrush holder. And I just cut them in strips, peeled off the backing just for a little bit of it, and then attached it to my dish, and then I peeled off the rest of it, just to make sure that these pearl stickers stayed all in a straight line. So again, just take off the backing of these pearl stickers, just a little bit, peel off, you know, maybe 3 or 4 of the pearls, just to start it off, and then just go ahead and add them right where you finished off the first row. hold them with your hands and just peel them off. And this is an easy way to make sure that your pearl stickers stay all in a row. So once I was done adding these stickers, I decided that I wanted to add some of the larger pearls just to make sure that it looked like a set. So what I did was just, again, use my hot glue gun and add those pearls all around the top of my stickers where I started my pearl stickers. So once you're done, just let this completely dry and you're finished. And this is the way it looks all set up. I love the way these turned out. They look so elegant if you ask me, and it's just so simple to make. And again, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share with friends and family. So until next time, you guys stay blessed. Bye.